Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from 103031 ARC Hailstorms FTC tutorial series. My name is Aliza, and today I will be talking about how to access and how to use the FTC parts library in Onshape. So this library is a collection of pre-made 3D CAD models from major FTC vendors such as GoBuilder or Rev Robotics. And instead of having to download individual CAD files from vendor websites, this library gives you access to thousands of parts just inside Onshape. And you can get this library through two ways, through either the Onshape App Store or through emailing PTC. Let's go over the App Store method first. After you create an Onshape document, you should be at this page, and we're going to click the button Go to App Store on the top right corner of your screen. And in the search bar, we can type in FTC. And now this FTC insert tool should pop up, and that's the library that we're looking for. And now click on the tool and hit subscribe. It should be over here. And since I already have it on my account, it says cancel plan instead. And I'm not going to go through the process of subscribing because it's quick and it only takes a few clicks. After that's done, go back to the assembly page and we can click the insert tool button over here on the right side. And you should see a row that says global libraries, and we can click into that. And now you will have a bunch of different vendors, and you can either just go into each one and into the folders to find whatever you want. But let's say if I want to find a GoBuilder 11-hole U channel, I can either go into a structure and just keep clicking until I get to my part, or I can go to the website and copy and paste its part number and just paste it here. So I'm gonna click on it, and there we have our part from the FTC parts library. And let's move on to our second method now. For this second method, you will need to email PTC directly to get added to the shared document library. And here's the email. It's first@ptc.com. And you have to briefly explain that you're on an FTC team and you would like to have access to the library. And once PTC gives you access, you can go back to your assembly and click insert. And under other documents, there should be a column that says FTC Robotics Parts User, and we're going to click into that. And again, you can do either search it with the part number, or you can go into the folders to find what you want. And there I have our U channel again. So that's it for today. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and let us know. And make sure to check out our next video. Thank you for watching.